Hi, this is John from Chicago. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing, or save you the agony of I laid everything out for my drone box for this month. Drone box is a subscription setup where you pay $40 a month plus $10 shipping, and they send you out a box full of quad stuff. My hope was I'd be able to get enough boxes to put everything together and have a flying quad. And this month it finally did it. They sent some motors. So I got a set of 2207 by, let's see, the KV on here is 2450. So I got a set of motors. They weigh about 35 grams a piece. They should work out pretty good. I kind of looked at them. They marketed them as they have two different sets of letters on them. One says BO cutters, and if you look at the side of the box, it says BC, which might mean box cutters, but BC cutters is what it says on another part of the box. When I look at the motors, they look similar to DYS motors, Samgunk motors, and I think they're copies or made by them, and they put the Drone Box logo on them. But the DYS motors are supposed to be fairly good entry-level motors, so I'm looking forward to putting together the quad. The other things that were in the box is they always give you 3 sets of props. These are the Gemfan Hurricanes. They're 51-49-9 size props. Those should be usable. A lot of times the props they give you, you probably wouldn't use them because of the sizing. But these look like they should be good props. They also give you a battery tester and a roll of sticky tape, 2-sided tape for attaching things on the model. And they give you a hot glue gun that connects to the battery. It connects to a 3S battery with a XT60 plug on it. And of course they always give you some stickers, so these are the stickers that they gave this month. Just to go through what I've received in past months is I received a, in January they had the camera, the Runcam Robin camera. Previous to that, about 3 months back or 4 months back, they gave you a another generic camera, camera, and the month before in December was a good month. They gave you a frame, or gave us a frame. It's the Source 2 frame. It's an economical frame, but it's a nice frame. So I'm looking forward to using that. And the month before that, they gave us a VTX. They gave you 2 TBS Unified Pro Nanos. So I'm going to use one of those in this build to put this together. And then I think the first month I was in here, they gave me a flight control board. It's the Spring Flight Control all-in-one board. And then the following month after that, they gave me an Airbot 4-in-1 30 amp ESC board, so should be able to use that. So I hope to put this all together and have a working quad. Thanks for watching.